So should I start? Because here only the 7 current viewers. So if you people want, I will start the class. Okay, so first I will start from the basic. So when you open any Word document, we use the mouse. So I want to work with the smarter in the Word when you creating some document or doing some format. So first from the basic. So whenever you need to open any new document, just press Control N. So Control N to create the new document. Look at that. I have pressed Control N. The new document has been opened. Okay. So for creating the new document, the shortcut key is Control N. And after you creating the document, second thing we need doing the page setup. So doing the page setup is little difficult when you try to use the mouse, and the size of the paper you have to choose how much margin you are going to set for right, left, top, bottom. So for page setup, you can use the best shortcut key, that is hold the Alt key and press PSP. Okay, hold the Alt key and press PSP. So the page setup will open here. So this is a shortcut key of page setup. So I will repeat once again. For page setup, hold the Alt key, press PSP. Page setup will open, and here you can type your margin. For example, if you are typing the project report or thesis or dissertation, so for top side you can put the like 2.5 or 2.4 centimeter, but in the left we need to give some extra margin, because left side we need to do the bending for margin. So here you can do like 3 centimeter in the left, and then press OK. So as you can see, the left margin is more than right margin, because here this 0.5 will be goes on to bending. So the shortcut key of page setup, Alt PSP. This is the shortcut key of page setup. And after this, next is how to open the document. For example, if you want to work with the previous file, so just press Ctrl O to select the previous document. So to open the file, press the Ctrl O. Okay. And next is close. I think everyone knows this, how to close the document. Just press Ctrl W. Your document will be closed. So Ctrl W to close your document. But before you going to close, save it. Okay, save it. And Ctrl S. I think everyone know this. Ctrl S. Press Ctrl S to save the document. Yeah. So in the first class, I'm trying to show you basic. Okay. After this, I will show you some typical and easy shortcut key. This will help to work with the professional. Okay. To select all, press Ctrl A. To select all your entire document, press Ctrl A. And if you are getting any confusion, you can ask me on the comment. If you are getting pronunciation confusion, or you are not getting clearly what shortcut key I am using, so you can ask me in comments. So I will write in the comments. Okay. And the next is, after you create everything, you type everything, you need to do the formatting. So here I have a text. Okay, So here I have a text, and for doing the alignment of text you need to use the shortcut key. Why you use the mouse when we can use the easy shortcut key? So to select your paragraph or document or line, whatever you want to select, and to justify right alignment, left alignment, you need to use the shortcut key. Okay, to take the right alignment of your text, you can press Ctrl R. Look at that, all my paragraph is the right alignment. Ctrl L for left alignment. Okay, Ctrl F for left alignment, Ctrl R for right alignment, and Ctrl E. Press Ctrl E to do the center alignment. Look at that, it's center alignment. And to justify the text, so as you can see here, the text is not in the justified. So to do the justify the text, select the text and press Ctrl J. Ctrl J for justify. Yep, easy. So I hope you guys understanding what I'm trying to show you. Okay, and then basic shortcut key of doing the bold. To do any text bold letter, select the text and press Ctrl B. Your text will become bold. Okay, and same thing to do the underline, press Ctrl U to do the underline. Okay, Ctrl U to underline, and to remove the underline, press Ctrl U again. So Ctrl U to remove and add the underline of text. Okay, and to do the italic of your text, press Ctrl I. Okay, Ctrl I to do the italic. Okay, and the next is copy paste. To do the copy, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V for paste, and Ctrl X for cut and paste. Okay, Ctrl C for copy, Ctrl V for paste, and Ctrl X for cut and copy paste. Yes, and the next important thing is how to change the font size and font style using shortcut key. It's super simple. So select the fonts which you want to change, select the text which you want to change, and then press Ctrl Shift F. Look at that, the fonts is appear now. So fonts dialog box appear. Press Ctrl Shift F, the fonts will appear here. If you know the font's name, you can directly type the font's name here, or you can choose the fonts by pressing down arrow key like this. Look at that. Yep, it's easy. Ctrl Shift F to change the fonts style, and to change the font size, select your all text. Sorry. Okay. To select the your okay, just give me a second. To change the font style, for shortcut keys, Ctrl Shift P. Look at that. When you press the Ctrl Shift P, it will redirect you to size of fonts. So here you can directly type the font size like 18, 16, 19, 20 like this, and hit enter, and boom, that's it. Okay, I will show again once again. Ctrl Shift P for font size, and here you have two options. You can directly type the font size like this, or you can use the down arrow key to select the your desired font size, and then hit enter. Okay, and after this, how to do the single line, double line spacing for paragraph. So all my paragraph is now in single line, as you can see. To do the double line spacing, press Ctrl and 2. Look at that. The spacing is 2 now. Line spacing is 2 now. Ctrl 2 to double line spacing. Ctrl 5 for 1.5 spacing. Ctrl 1 for single line spacing. Ctrl 0 for 0 spacing. Okay. Just you need to press Ctrl and 1 for single line spacing, Ctrl 2 for double line spacing, Ctrl 5 for 1.5 spacing. Yeah, this is the easy thing. And next is how to do the preview. You need to just press Control F2. It will show the preview of your document. Okay, so Control F2 to view the preview of your document. And next, how to find and replace, and how to go with the page number. Okay, let me open some pages. Here, to find anything in your document, press Control F and type here what you want to search. Like for example, I am going to search the sidebar. After you type it, hit enter. It will show the where is the sidebar word on the entire document. So press Control F to search anything from your document, and Control G if you want to go to the jump to the page. I am working on the page number 1 and I need to go to the page number 20 or 30. Then you can follow this step. Press Control G and then hit the page number where you want to go. Like for example, I want to go to the page number 4. Type the 4 number and hit enter. It will redirect to the page number 4, as you can see here. Okay, so to go to the particular page number, press Control G and then press enter your page number and then hit enter, and that's it. So in the first class, I have tried to show you some basic shortcut key. In the coming classes, I will show you some other professional shortcut keys. So if you have any doubts regarding these shortcut keys, you can ask me in comments. So I have shown more than 15 shortcut keys. So you can ask me in comments. For today's class, you can ask the question regarding today's shortcut keys only. In the future, I will explain your queries. See who answer first. So I'm going to ask the question here for today's class. We have just explained. Let's start from the simple. What is the shortcut key of justifying the alignment? I have just showed, so you can type here. So what is the shortcut key of justifying text?